Today, we've wrapped up debugging our new Team AI Builder, and I'm excited to give you a quick overview. Imagine a flow of Team AI agents, each with a unique job, goals, and definitions. These agents can use different models like GPT, Claude, Mistral, or whichever one you choose. It all starts at the top with our VP of Support, John. John's job is to select the right agent for the query and determine the appropriate flow. Next, we have Dina, who acts as the filter's definition. Then, we move into three distinct scenarios. First, there's Anton, who handles all the small talk. So, for queries like "Hey, how are you?" or "Nice to meet you," Anton's got it covered. The second scenario blocks topics like politics, violence, or unrelated content. Roman handles this. Now, let me introduce Steve. He's the go-to guy for searching information in our company database. Given the complexity of this task, Steve leads a dedicated team. First, Steve prepares the data needed for the search. Once Steve has prepped the data, Karen steps in. Her job is to dive into the company's documents and search for information relevant to the specific query. After Karen completes her search, the task moves to Gavin. Gavin's role is crucial. He verifies whether the documents Karen found truly match the query, ensuring accuracy. Here we have two paths, Mike and JJ. JJ's role is simple. If the information isn't available, he says, "I don't have this information." However, if the information exists, go to Mike and analyzes the data from previous steps. You can write a new prompt and tag other AI agents from previous steps. One of the coolest features is the ability to switch models for agents like Mike from GPT to Claude, Llama, Mistral, or any other model available on Hugging Face. Now, let's look at how agents interact in this preview. When I type "Hi, John," the VP of Support looks for the right agent for the task. As we can see here, John chooses small talk in the filter and then directs to Anton, who generates the answer. Next, I ask about Officely AI, and John chooses Steve to look for the company's documents. Steve triggers the entire team mentioned above to bring the best answer. Let's see what we got. John chose Steve because this query needs to come from company documents. Gavin confirms that the answer exists in the documents and is not incorrect information, and Mike formulates the answer clearly and concisely about what I ask for based on the information from other AI agents. Let's test the AI guard with a question like, "Who is Messi?" The AI guard checks, and Roman blocks the query, saying, "Sorry, you trigger our guard AI because we can chat only about Officely AI solutions." In this fast flow setup, we have 11 AI agents, each with specific roles. Some, like Steve, lead a team, while others work individually. You can choose the role, Node LLM, RAG, filter, or write Python code. It's super cool, super fast, and this is our new version. Hope you like it.